Listening 3. Listen and point.
Rosie, Tim, Billy. Hello. Goodbye.
Listen and repeat.
Rosie, Tim, Billy. Hello. Goodbye.
Listening 4. Listen and chant.
Rosie, Tim, Billy. Rosie, Tim, Billy. Hello, hello, hello. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye.
Listening 5. Listen and repeat.
What's your name?
I'm Rosie.
Listening 6. Listen and sing.
Hello, hello. What's your name?
I'm Rosie. I'm Rosie. Hello, hello.
Hello, hello. What's your name? I'm Tim. I'm Tim.
Hello, hello.
Hello, hello. What's your name?
Gaga, Gaga. Hello, hello.
Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye to you. Rosie, Tim and Billy, goodbye, goodbye.
Listening 7. Listen, trace and point.
A, A, apple. A, Annie.
Listen and repeat.
A, A, apple. A, Annie.
Listening 8. Listen and chant.
Apple, apple, apple. Annie's got an apple. Ah. Apple, apple, apple. Annie's got an apple. Ah.
Listening 9. Listen, trace and repeat. 1. 2. 10. Point and sing.
One, one, one. two, two.
Listening 11. Listen, trace and point.
B, B, boy, B, bat,
Listen and repeat.
B, B, boy, B, bat,
Listening 12. Listen and chant.
A boy with a bat. B, b, b. A boy with a bat. B, b, b. A boy with a bat. B, b, b. A boy with a bat. B, b, b.
Listening 13. Listen.
Hello, I'm Miss Bell. What's your name?
I'm Tim.
And what's your name?
I'm Rosie.
And what's your name?
Bee!
Bee. Hello, Bee.
Billy!
Oh, Billy. Goodbye, Billy.
bye.